feathers and hopefully going to entertain you for the next 20-25 minutes or so. First bird that we're going to have a look at in this show is this rather magnificent eagle here called Archie. And Archie is a bald eagle. Now, those of you with very, very good eyesight will be able to see that Archie actually has lots and lots of white feathers on top of his head. So he isn't in actual fact bald. He is a bird that, well, I suppose has an interesting sort of history. He lives in North America, Canada, Alaska, and of course, because he is about sitting on a dollar bill, he basically gets paid to fly around over the tops of people's heads with a couple of inches to spare. And of course, whilst it is very exciting to have an eagle flying over your head, a lot of people do get a little bit worried by it. Archie is a professional, he's not going to fly into you, but he certainly wouldn't expect you to jump up and stick a camera in his face, for instance, because he's not going to avoid you. He is a massive bird with a wingspan of about 6 feet. He's about the same size as our golden eagle that you'll find in the Lake District. He's not going to get paid for just sitting around. When he comes back to the arena, essentially when I put my hands up in the air like this essentially means do something a bit more exciting. And so Archie then is forced to go around in a circle. Now, you might be wondering, why do we have birds here and what's it all about? Well, before Tesco's and Sainsbury's was invented, birds of prey we use for hunting. Now, whenever you say that, most totally capable, I suppose, to survive from a bird of prey. So if you have something like a goshawk, or maybe a falcon, you can catch maybe, well, I think my personal record is 19 rabbits. And all of our birds are not interested in hunting. What they're doing at this moment in time is earning their lunch. And I know that Archie has done the best that he can do for the conditions that we've got today. So I'm going to let him have the rest of his day back down where we keep the birds. So let's give Archie a really big round of applause. I've seen the vulture, apart from on television, and it has to be said that Dyson is a real live vulture. Having been brought up in a zoo, has used to having his food, and now that we're actually training him, he really doesn't want to do anything at all. He's not going to soar around like Archie. He's basically, well, just doing the bare minimum of work to get his breakfast. And of eagles and vultures, and you may not be aware of it, but vultures in the wild are really, really struggling. They're being directly persecuted, poisoned by man, consuming chemicals that are designed for me and you, that kill them, and things like that. But this is a vulture, so essentially he doesn't kill anything at all, but even worse than that, he essentially doesn't really even eat a lot of meat. In the wild, this is the vulture that comes along after everybody else has stripped that dead animal to a pile of bones, and this is a guy that actually eats the bones. It's an amazing bird. In the wild, when he finds something like a dead goat, he'll come down, stand beside it, and with his powerful bill, he'll snap the bones of the ribs, throwing them up into the air and swallowing them down. Bones 8 and 10 and 12 inches long, but there are massive bones on a dead animal. Hips, spines, skulls, and things like that. And so Archie, because he can't break them, what he does, he actually uses his feet and his legs. But Archie has been playing around now for about 4 or 5 months on the side of a mountain in North Yorkshire. That's where I live, on the side of Pennygen. And essentially, he's been having lots of fun playing around. Here at the castle, it's quite complicated to get a bird like this to show himself off well without the wind being in the right direction. But at home, it's amazing to see him smashing around on the wind that hits the rocks in different currents. It's an amazing. He's going to be stunning to look at. He's going to have a beige chest, he's going to have slate grey back and shoulders and tail, and that will be at about 8 years of age. And an interesting thing about the lammergeier, to make himself look attractive to other vultures, because he's beige on his chest, what he does, he actually rubs himself in orange soil and with a very large beak. Yes, thank you. He's going, I'm not really sure. I might come down to 3 pieces. Yeah, you're not going to get 3 pieces, no, Marvin. Okay. So Marvin is a baby Stella's sea eagle. There are 3 contenders for the largest one is a harpy eagle from South America, a Philippine monkey-eating eagle is the other, and then you have this very magnificent bird here, which is a Steller seagull. It is the largest of all the sea eagles in the world. Doesn't reside up in Scotland. It is one of those, a white-tailed sea eagle that lives in the remoter parts of Scotland on the east and west coast. But that's a white-tailed seagull. This is a long way from home. Eastern Russia, Japan, and Korea. There's a peninsula called Kamchatka, and that is what Marvin is going to look like when he becomes a little bit more mature. Now what Marvin is doing at the moment, he's working his way back to our bird launch platform, because of course he knows he's not going to be coming back down here. He's got a very serious job on today, and so has Nikita. We're going to fly both of these birds all the way to the top of Guy's Tower. That's the one with the flagpole, and bearing in mind, these are the heaviest eagles in the world. Nikita weighs in at about 17.5 pounds, and this is going to be a very difficult day at the office. This is not going to be nice, by the way. That's just getting rid of 4 ounces, because you don't have to carry it to the top. Now, Nikita is 8 years of age. Marvin is just about to start his attempt to go up to the top of the castle. It's always cut and dried. It depends on which way the wind is blowing, and it depends on how much lift you can get. Nikita is a little brighter than Marvin. Marvin, as I said last year, was quite poor at flying, but he went to North Yorkshire during the winter time, learned a lot about learning how to fly. Anything really useful. He's already gone around in one big circle. Marvin's coming out the game. He does have the advantage, incidentally, on a day like today, because he's only about 11.5 pounds. But is he going to be able to make it? He often just fails dramatically at the last moment, and he when his wings smash into the wind. Marvin has had another little attempt at sort of going round and has landed on the stairs at the top of actually going to the top of the castle is because James has actually gone up there and he's got a fairly substantial reward up at the top. We generally use a small arm of a child, usually a French student, as they like that little hint of garlic in it, and the key for you, Marvin, except for me. And that's because I know that you can do this. Oh, Marvin, I'm going to give you an easy day at the office. Okay, let's give Marvin a big round of applause. He's done very, very well for us. And you might notice that Nikita is already on her way in here. We'll just get rid of Marvin, as we need Marvin out of the way. Yeah, you're not getting full rations for that, Marvin. You failed. Failed dramatically. Going on. I'm really sorry. I'm trying to hold it next time. And don't feel sorry for him, by the way. Doesn't slow down that well, really, to be honest. A bit haphazard in his approach. There's an awful lot of watching thrown out. Here we go. Okay, so let's give all the birds a really big round of applause. They've done very, very well for us. Do hope you've enjoyed the bird show. Thank you very much. There is another bird show a little later on at 3 o'clock. Thank you very much. And Jan is on next.